So every year we have robins that make a nest under our deck, and this year the nest fell off and we found a couple of baby robins at the bottom. So I researched.
We are going to Grandma's because the baby found the nest, so we're going to make a new one!
Alright, my mom had a hanging basket, so let's make it into a nest. Okay, I'm going to fill the bottom portion of this basket up with wood chips. So that's what we got so far. I found a bunch of dried leaves, and I'm going to add that to my next layer.
Now we're going to go back home to help the robin.
I'm going to take the makeshift nest and bring it to the compost and put some grass around the border.
This is for flowers.
Yeah, it's for the flowers, but we're making it into a bird nest.
Helpful for the day.
We're going to attach this makeshift nest to the deck as close as we can to the original nest site. Okay, so there's the new nest, and this is where the old nest was located. You could see that kind of split in half and the babies fell down behind me. We're going to get the babies now and put them in their new nest. It's okay, buddy. There you go. It's okay, buddy. I don't have food for you. It's okay. You can see the baby robins are in their new nest, and I hope Mom and Dad come and get them.